All right, I'm back. I'm back. So I wanted to again go over the way that the market reacted to stock splits in the past. So here is some performance examples in the past after stock splits. Amazon, they have noted three splits in history, and their average performance of shares 12 months after the split was 209% increase. Huge. Microsoft has split nine times in history, and their percentage after was 47%. And that's the average percentage. So that's good too. So it doesn't increase the amount per se, but signaling effect is taking place, and people not knowing about fundamentals, but just kind of knowing and following the hype take place. All that take place. So sales increase. So all right, Toyota split one time, 25% increase within that year. McDonald split nine times, 22% increase within a 12-month period. Disney split eight times, and their percentage of increase is 18. Intel split six times with a 12% increase. Coca-Cola split nine times, and they've had an average increase. Who's calling me on the screen? They had an average increase of Coca-Cola 10%. Okay, then you had Apple, who had they noted four splits in history with a 10% increase. Google split once in history, but their percentage change was negative 6%. Samsung too, one time they split in history and their percentage was a negative 13% decrease. So that's big. Now, Apple's about $224 at the beginning of the COVID epidemic. After the split, you know, they've been having some changes going. Like I said, some corrections are taking place, and they were $300 at the start of the year. Okay, so they didn't go down that much. But just before the split and everything took place, the Apple was about $500. So a lot of corrections are happening now, and everything is going to level out, I think. But I'm not a financial advisor. I feel like everything is going to level out. It's just all of those gains you experienced that did not go in line with the way that the market fundamentally should go. Now that is being corrected, and here you go with the losses to average it out. Even if it's still a little bit higher overall, I think that it's just correcting what's going on. So is it a good time to buy Apple? I don't know. It depends. Every person is different. Every person has a different situation and different goal. If you're looking at Apple overall as a company, you want to look at it's a great product. They have great products, but I don't know if it's necessarily a good stock to buy right now. But at the same time, because America is basically on sale, you got to go by your numbers, though. The numbers that you've indicated were important to you for Apple. Yeah, looking at why did that happen? Well, I don't know why it happened, but the minute it happened, just about the stock went down about 15% today. So people are really scared. I don't think that scared is what we should be right now, though. Because just like it's going down, just like it was up and it's going down, it's going to go back up and everything's going to be fine because we know that it's a good company. We're not just investing in any old company that could go bankrupt. This is a company that we've researched. Okay. As announcement, the S&P Dow Jones indices started to add online craft seller Etsy, semiconductor equipment maker Teradyne Inc., and pharmaceutical technology company Catalent Inc. to the S&P 500 instead. They wouldn't explain why they made the choice, but they were saying that it could possibly have something to do with consistency. Tesla shot through the roof like that, but they have not consistently grown as the smaller companies have. Tesla had a market capitalization of about 390 billion, which is nearly 10 times larger than Etsy, Teradyne, and Catalent's combined stock market value of about 40 billion. They made the S&P 500. So as a result of that news, shares of Etsy, which have more than doubled this year, were up about 1% in trading, pre-market trading. Teradyne and Catalent were lower, which is strange because more people know Etsy. I feel like more people know Etsy, maybe. So these are set to replace H&R Block, Coty, and Kohl's Corporation in the index on September 21st. So do you feel like Tesla should have been in there before Etsy? Or do you think that their decision was warranted? I don't know. I just thought it was interesting. A lot of things happening, a lot of changes going on. But again, now is the perfect time to invest in the stock market because not only are you new to investing and, you may have questions, but everybody is new to this new market right now and everybody have questions. So this is the perfect time to start investing if you have not already. You need any information from me, resources, let me know, inbox me. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like and comment, and I will be sure to return the love and check out your pages as well. We got to come up, baby. We already coming up. Y'all don't be worried. Don't worry. It's all good. You bought in at the right time, and we're going to keep moving on up. But we got to be patient. Be patient. Until next time, stalkers. Talk to you soon. Peace.